there. Do it again. Ready? Titan! Hey! Put it on me.
Thank you.
You
want it? Do you want it?
You gotta get in, Jen. What are you gonna get in, Jen? Ready?
So,
Here we go. My cousin Erin's little girl. Yeah. Yeah, she's actually got to. She actually got a pass to come home today.
today?
Yeah, yeah. But she has to go back. Yeah, she has to go back.